Welcome. Now go ahead and create a folder in your computer where you would like to keep the source code for this course. So I've created this folder and now I can open Visual Studio Code Editor and import this folder there, or in here I can type cmd, hit enter, and I can just yes dot enter. This is going to open the VS Code editor for me on this particular folder itself in my computer. I could have gone ahead and said file, open folder, and browse that folder and open it here, or I could just do the way I showed it, the command prompt, that the typing code space dot. Now let's go ahead and see how we can have Tailwind and how we can work with it on our computer. So click on Docs. There are different ways of getting started with Tailwind. So I'm going to tell you one way, but we are also going to look into the best way. So you can click on play CDN and just copy this piece of code, create a file here called index.html, paste the code here, and you see we have Tailwind already added, and now there are some classes applied to it. Now we would need to open this on our browser. For that, I would suggest an extension for live server. Install this one on your computer. This will help you run your HTML CSS on a server without the need of any external server. I would also show you another extension which will be handy for us in future, Tailwind. Click on this. This from official Tailwind CSS. Click on install. Now close this and let's go back to our code editor and just right click here and say open with live server. So it's starting a server here at the corner. You have to allow it, give a permission, and you see it has some styling available. Let's go ahead and maybe try to apply some more styling to it. Let's say he search here also. If we go back, let's say we search for and maybe background color we would need. It gives us lots of options. So if I go ahead and say background, and you see how it looks. So you can search anything here and you can get that particular documentation. We'll cover that more in upcoming videos. So let's say I want to apply this EG Red 300. I will just take this and go here and apply it on the body and save it. The live server will automatically pick this up. I don't have to refresh my browser. If I go to the browser now, it's already there, the background color. So in this way, we can, if we want, go ahead and learn complete Tailwind CSS with what we have done, just including one script, and continue to apply the classes. But is this the recommended way? No. So the good way or the best practice way to use Tailwind CSS is by Tailwind CLI. And this is what we will do in the next video. Thank you.